Kia ora mai. The learning team at Te Papa want to give you a taste of our favourite digital tools. He kai ke aku ringa, he koha mō te katoa. Clapmotion is a free online web app that works with your Chrome browser. Learn about designing and developing digital outcomes using one of the most fun digital apps we have found. We love using Clapmotion to tell stories using plasticine, Lego, or anything else we have around. Stop motion is a very rewarding process because it allows learners to create collaboratively using tactile materials and get results quickly. Learners can review their work and use critical thinking and communication skills to discuss how to edit, remove, or add single frames to improve their animations. Follow us on YouTube or Facebook for more tasty morsels. Hei te wā!